Here I have Tesla Model Y, and on this example I will show you how to set up Sentry Mode for the maximum protection on every Tesla vehicle. So let's begin. So, at the very beginning, let me show you how to get access to those settings. All you need to do is start by using your normal screen, then use this car icon in the left down corner. Of course, it will open the settings of your car. Then you need to find the safety tab right here. As you can see here, you've got all safety information that you can use on your Tesla. And the most important one is to enable the Sentry Mode. So as you can see here, you've got the switcher. You can enable or disable the Sentry Mode. Now I have my Sentry Mode enabled, so when I leave the car will automatically turn on the Sentry Mode. So I will be watched by the Sentry Mode. If anything happens, I will have the recording of this. So this is like really useful situation. Here you can also enable the auto-enable Sentry Mode in park. I recommend to have this enabled also, to have the Sentry Mode enabled automatically. Here you can exclude, for example, home, work or your favorites. Sometimes it will save you your power, your battery. So if you are sure that in your home nothing happens, you can exclude home. For example, if you have a garage where you can park your car, I think it's okay to have the Sentry Mode turned off. Nothing really can happen with your car in that situation, so you can easily enable this and save your battery. Here I've got the Sentry Mode clip length. In my experience, 2 minutes, sometimes it's not enough. I recommend this to have like 5 minutes. So here you can also go back. Let's enable also the camera-based detection. You can read the information about it right here. So when camera-based detection is enabled, Sentry Mode will use the vehicle's extreme cameras in addition to vehicle sensors to detect a security event while parked. If disabled, the vehicle will only save the clips to the USB drive if a physical threat is detected. So let's be aware of this. Let's have this enabled. It's always a good idea. And you can also here enable or disable viewing the camera via the mobile app. Let me tap yes. In my case, I like to have the opportunity to see the cameras through my app, so let me tap on. Here you've got also the Dashcam. For my experience, the automatic Dashcam works perfectly, so I recommend to have this auto. You've got the information here. So our auto save up 10 minutes of video to your USB automatically when your vehicle detects the occurrence of a safety event. So let's be aware of this and let's have this enabled. Let's just close the following Dashcam, and I recommend to have this amazing feature enabled. So if you are sure that something happened and you would like to save the recording, you can enable on honk, and when you honk, the recording will be saved. And also the last and also really important thing, as you can see here, you've got the storage. In my case, the storage is almost full, so be aware of this. Let's just take a look to your storage sometimes, and sometimes you should delete some clips. You can also format the USB drive, so let's be aware of this. In my case, I will format my USB drive just in like a few days, so I am aware of this and I will have my USB drive formatted, but let's check out the situation in your case. So I think that's it. So now you can set up your Sentry Mode to your needs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.